welcome back to Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we're going to be covering modifying our lists. Let's get started. Go ahead and open Atom, and in Atom in your lists folder, create a new file called modifyinglists.py. This is going to be a program to learn about adding and removing from the lists that you make. So let's have an example where we have a list of sports. Let's say we have football, basketball, and soccer. And I'm going to go ahead and print out this list so you can see that football, basketball, and soccer show up. And so if I wanted to, I could simply add to this list by saying sports.append, and it's the first one to pop up. And this is going to add an item to the end of my list. So let's say I want to add baseball to my list. Now, if I print sports, I will have baseball at the end of my list. Cool. That's how easy it is to add to a list, simply by using this append method that comes with any list that you make in Python. Now, how do I remove from a list? Well, very simple. Just like Python comes with an append method with every list, Python also comes with a remove method. And this will allow me to take out whichever item I want. So let's say I want to remove soccer. Now, if I print my list, and remember, I have also added this baseball to my list at the end, you'll see that before, where it was football, basketball, and soccer, we've added baseball and then removed soccer, so now we have football, basketball, and baseball. Great. Well, that's your lesson for today. I'll see you in the next video. Congrats.